All right, guys. So, welcome back to another stream. A early one today for the stream yesterday. I did in fact start my stream yesterday pretty late, like almost 12 in the morning. So today I'm starting it way earlier, and that's because there's a lot to talk about. A lot to talk about right now. Okay, so I want to talk about it. And I hope you guys are, hanging in there, okay? Because yes, there's a lot of negative news happening around, the crypto space and community. Okay, we know that. Um, you know, and of course, yeah, just a lot of FUD, right? A lot of FUD. So I hope you guys are still hanging in there. Do not panic, okay, at all. Even though yes, the market is significantly dropping today. Okay, I must say, yes, a lot of prices have in fact been dropping like crazy, especially Pacific ones, three Pacific ones, Cardano, okay, Solana, and Polygon. You guys can clearly see that, right? Cardano is down over 23% for the past 24 hours. Solana is down also 23%, and Polygon also a whopping 23% as well. Why? Why is Cardano, Solana, and Polygon today all of a sudden dropping massively compared to these other altcoins? Well, this came out, okay, and I already made a separate video talking about this, okay, so I want to go ahead and talk about it even more with you guys live. So Robinhood, okay, I know most likely a fair few of you guys are from the US, okay, that use Robinhood. Okay, if you guys don't know, I do in fact live in Australia, so I'm not from America and the US, right? And I know a lot of people out there in the US use Robinhood to buy crypto or to even buy stocks, right? So guys, Robinhood, okay, just delisted Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. I don't know why, right? Now, listen, we know the SEC, okay, the SEC, Gary Gensler has in fact been spreading a lot of FUD lately for the past few days. It's been a crazy week, I must say, in the crypto space. Okay, this week alone has been absolutely insane. Okay, we know that the SEC is in fact suing two major crypto exchanges, Binance and of course Coinbase I'm talking about. And they have in fact called out and said that fair few altcoins, 13 to be specific, that are in fact securities. So they said, Cardano was a security. They said Solana, Polygon, right, Algorand, and many more other, altcoins are in fact securities. Okay, and all of a sudden, Robinhood decided to delist Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. Okay, now this is some very, very major news, guys. Okay, and that's why, guys, we are in fact seeing a massive drop today because of these delistings from Robinhood, right? Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, right? So yes, Bitcoin, you guys can clearly see, is in fact still at $25,000. It's actually dropped below 25K. So yes, once again, Bitcoin is now below $25,000. It's currently at $25,800. So yes, Bitcoin is of course dropping. Same with Ethereum, right? Check out Ethereum. Ethereum is absolutely dropping today. It's now back down at $1,700. It's a great buy rate today, guys. Okay, I must say it is in fact a great buy today. So yes, I am of course going to be buying some more crypto today, like what I said in my previous video. If you guys haven't seen the video that I literally just uploaded 1 hour ago, definitely check out that video. Okay, but yeah, Ethereum is down. Okay, I've been telling you guys plenty of times that I was planning on buying more Ethereum. So today, yes, I will 100% gonna go ahead and buy some Ethereum, most likely tonight. So stay tuned for that video, or could be tomorrow. We will see. But Ethereum is down, so I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to buy more crypto. Okay, like this week, guys. Okay, in the next upcoming few days, I'm gonna go on crypto. Okay, I've already been stacking. Okay, in crypto, you guys have been seeing me stack, Bitcoin, Ethereum, right, and many more other altcoins. In the next upcoming few days, I'm gonna buy more. Okay, because I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to buy more. Right now, you guys are probably wondering, am I bearish with Cardano, Solana, and Polygon? Right, because they are in fact dropping, and they did in fact get delisted from Robinhood, and that's why they are in fact significantly dropping. So am I bearish, right, with these three crypto coins? No, It's simple. I am not, guys. I'm going to take this as an opportunity right now to buy a whole bunch of Cardano. Like, I'm not even joking, guys. Like, I'm going to be buying a whole bunch of Cardano. I'm going to stack way more. Same with Solana, right? You know, for the past few months, I haven't really bought much Solana. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Yes, a couple of days ago, you guys saw me buy some Solana, but not much. So I want to stack more because, you know, it's dropping. So I'm going to take that as an opportunity to buy more. Polygon, same, right? I've been, you know, buying Polygon every now and then, and I'm going to stack more right into Polygon. Okay, these three crypto coins are in fact significantly dropping, and I know a lot of you guys don't want to buy, okay, but this is all FUD, okay? They're trying to scare you guys and whatnot, right? Trying to make you, you know, panic sell, you know, and be fearful and bearish. But you got to be the complete opposite, guys, okay? This is the perfect time right now to buy, okay? A lot of you guys probably have a lot of questions on when should you get in crypto, right? When should you stack more, buy more? Well, days like this, okay, where we see the market drop 5%, over 5%, right? It's the perfect time to buy. Days like this, okay, you know, red days just like this, what we're seeing right now in the market is in fact, in my opinion, a perfect buy right now, okay, because everything is dropping like significantly, okay, massive price drops are in fact happening right now in the market. So yeah, this is some significant news, guys, okay, for Robinhood and just in general, right? It's even you know, trending on Twitter, okay? Everyone right now is talking about crypto, okay? It's trending. Cardano, of course, Solana and Polygon, everyone's talking about that. And of course, with, you know, the situation that's happening right now with, you know, Robinhood delisting, Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. Okay, a lot of people are not happy, right? If you go to most of these tweets, okay, you know, the replies are, you know, not that great, right? A lot of people are in fact disappointed that Robinhood did in fact do this, okay? So it's really unfortunate, like this one person says, right? It's unfortunate to see these projects being delisted without any proper investigation. And that's very true. I 100% agree on that, right? It's like, you know, we know that the SEC, okay, Gary Gensler was in fact saying that, you know, Solana, Cardano, and Polygon are in fact securities, and all of a sudden Robinhood, you know, a couple of days later decided to delist them, right? Without any proper investigation. Now, remember guys, in the past, Gary Gensler said in the past that, for example, Ethereum, okay, many times for the past few months, okay, Gary Gensler himself has said that Ethereum is in fact a security. And people ask him, how is Ethereum a security? And Gary Gensler, okay, doesn't have a proper, you know, answer to that question. Okay, and think about it. Gary Gensler, to this day, he doesn't mention Ethereum being a security at all, right? So Gary Gensler is targeting Binance and Coinbase, okay, two major crypto exchanges. And he's also saying, you know, these other altcoins are in fact securities like, you know, Algorand, right, Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Decentraland, right, Sandbox, all these other altcoins. I believe he named around 13. And out of those 13, he doesn't even mention Ethereum in that list, right? Like, you know, he was in fact saying Ethereum was in fact a security. Why didn't he say this time, right? Why didn't he say that Ethereum was in fact a security? Because he knows it's not a security. And think about it. He said that many times XRP is a security as well. He didn't mention XRP in anything, right, in this list. He only mentioned like 13 altcoins, different altcoins, nothing with to do with, you know, Ethereum or XRP, because he has mentioned that before and he failed completely, right? So it's the same thing, guys, okay? And all of a sudden, Robinhood decides to delist Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. I think it's just stupid at this point, okay? It just doesn't, you know, make sense at all, because I know, okay, these altcoins, especially Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, are not securities, okay? I know they are not. And yes, you guys may be scared right now, right, in the market, especially for, you know, Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. But I'm telling you this right now, okay, we know the bull market's about to happen. Everything will recover, okay? Like, Cardano is going to recover from this. Of course, Solana is easily going to, you know, in my opinion, recover from this. And Polygon, especially Polygon, right? Polygon is going to 100%, you know, recover from all of this, okay? All this FUD and whatnot, right? So I'm 100%, guys, because I know that we'll, in fact, bounce back up. to its previous highs in the next bull market. So I'm taking this as an opportunity to buy. And yes, you guys can see a lot of altcoins are dropping today. You guys see Avalanche down 19%. Shiba Inu a whopping 20%. A lot of people are in fact saying that maybe Robinhood could potentially delist Shiba Inu. We remember right back in, I believe, 2020 when Robinhood listed Shiba Inu and we saw Shiba Inu pump, right? So a lot of people are in fact saying there's rumors, okay, it's not 100% yet, but there's rumors that people are in fact saying that Robinhood could actually potentially delist Shiba Inu, and that's why Shiba Inu is dropping massively, 20%, almost 21% for the past 24 hours. So that's crazy, right? I don't know what's happening with altcoins, but it's dropping today, right? You guys can clearly see that altcoins are absolutely dropping today. So I think right now is a great opportunity to buy more, okay, to stack more. Obviously, just my personal opinion, okay, because days like this, guys, when we see the market drop massively, 5%, it's a buy, right? You got to take this as an opportunity to buy more, okay. But one person had a great opinion here, right, on everything that's happening with Robinhood, delisting ADA, Matic, and Solana, right? So he says here that Robinhood is only here to make money off of crypto holders, which that's just his opinion, and it could be true, right? Maybe, okay? Because this is just scaring off a lot of people, and that's why we are in fact seeing the market drop, okay? So it could be true, right? I'm not saying it is 100% true, but it could be true, okay? And they seem to not care about the space at all, and that is 100% agreeable right there, right? It seems like Robinhood doesn't really care at all about, the space, okay? Because personally, right, you guys let me know in the comments below, like, do you guys actually think Cardano, Polygon, and Solana are in fact securities? Like, do you guys agree with the SEC? I totally disagree because I don't think they are, personally. We have seen many times, like I said, Gary Gensler saying that Ethereum and XRP are in fact securities, but they are not. And yeah, he didn't even mention Ethereum or XRP, right? He mentioned, other altcoins, right, during this case. So just think about that, right? He's obviously trying to target different tokens, and he's obviously targeting, two major crypto exchanges. So obviously he's just trying to scare people off, and this is just all FUD. I told you guys this plenty of times, ignore the noise. Okay, we are okay, and everything will recover from this, right? We know the bull market is about to happen very, very soon. So I think Gary Gensler is just trying his best to just spread a lot of FUD and make a lot of people scared and just sell off their assets. That's just my personal opinion, right? Personally. So if it turns out ADA, Matic, or SOL is deemed a security by the court, they will still probably face some hefty troubles. And that's true, right? Yes, if they are in fact securities, okay, then yes, we will see potentially, Cardano, Polygon, and Solana drop massively. A lot of people are in fact saying, for example, Cardano would most likely drop back down to 10 cents, which is pretty hefty, honestly. But yeah, you guys can see the chart for Cardano. Cardano hasn't performed very well, and right now, yeah, you guys can see it dropped massively. You guys can clearly see that, right? 24 cents. I think this is its new low. Yeah, oh no, it hasn't actually. So January 1st, literally the first day of 2023, we actually saw Cardano at 24 cents, and now it's back down at 24 cents. So let's see if Cardano can create a new low for this year in 2023. If Cardano can go back down to 23 cents, 22 cents, 20 cents. A lot of people out there are making predictions here for Cardano that it can go as low as 10 cents, and that would be crazy, right? So we will see if Cardano can actually go back down that low, but we will see. So far, it hasn't created another new low, but it could, right, in the next upcoming few hours or few days. We will see. But yeah, it's still holding up at 24 cents. So we will see for Cardano. Now Polygon, I know Polygon has been performing very well throughout a few months, right, from its previous lows back in June, I believe. Yeah. So the 19th of June, Polygon was all the way down at 34 cents, right? 34 cents. and then it spiked all the way back up to $1.48. Okay, we're gonna round it up to $1.50, right? So that was great to see for Polygon, right? For the past few months, yes, it did in fact recover from its lows. And then yes, you guys can clearly see Polygon is obviously dropping. Okay, it's down over 22%, and I think right now, it's a great time to buy some Polygon, right? Because you guys have to understand, in the next bull market, majority, not all of them, but majority of these altcoins will pump back up to its previous all-time highs, and of course potentially reach a new all-time high. That's why you see a lot of people investing and stacking into altcoins, right, instead of Bitcoin. Because yes, I understand why people are doing this. They want to make more money. They don't want to invest their money into Bitcoin because the price is just too high, right? And that's why a lot of people like to invest the money into lower cap altcoins, right? Because their prices are just way lower. And yes, I understand. You can make more money with altcoins because the Bitcoin price is just too high. So it's understandable why people are in fact investing into other altcoins, especially altcoins, right? But we will see. But yeah, today is 100% a great buy. Okay, let me know, guys, if you guys are in fact taking this opportunity, okay, to stack more crypto, because I think right now is the perfect time to do that. And like I said many times, in the next upcoming few days, this week alone, I'm going to be stacking a whole bunch of Bitcoin, Ethereum especially, right? And of course other altcoins, okay? Because altcoins have dropped massively. So I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to buy more, 110%, right? I'm not scared. I'm still bullish, guys. And we know, okay, the bull market's about to happen. We're not 100%, obviously, okay, we know that, right? We're not 100% in a bull market just yet. Okay, we're still in a bear market. So if we go to the weekly time frame, you guys can clearly see that Bitcoin is nowhere near its previous all-time highs, right? So clearly, we are still in a bear market, but I've been telling you guys this many times that personally, I do in fact see Bitcoin going back up to, at least over $50,000 towards the end of this year in 2023. And I really do believe the year 2024, okay, once the halving does in fact happen, that's when it will officially happen, right? Once the halving happens, that is when, guys, we will in fact see Bitcoin pump like crazy. It's going to absolutely skyrocket, right? Especially towards the end of the year in 2024. And I think that's when we will obviously be in a bull market, because right now we're clearly not in a bull market just yet. We're still in a bear market, right? Like people think, we entered the next bull market because we've seen this pump up, right? But nah, not yet, guys. Okay, this rally will in fact continue, but we're not in a bull market just yet, right? But the next bull market is going to happen very soon, guys. Okay, and that's why I really do believe, majority of these altcoins will in fact recover very soon. Okay, there's just a lot of FUD out there, so I've been saying as many times just to ignore it, right? 100%. But yeah, a lot of altcoins are dropping. Filecoin is also down over 20%. And I think this is also another altcoin that the SEC did mention that was in fact a security. So that's why it is in fact having a slight drop. Also Decentraland, I remember. And Sandbox, yeah, 20% right there for Sandbox. I think the SEC did in fact mention Sandbox being a security, and Mana, Decentraland, down 19%. Axie Infinity down 20% as well. It feels like a lot of gaming crypto coins are down as well, a fair bit. Gala down 18%. Pepe, okay, for all my Pepe holders out there, I told you guys, right? What did I tell you guys? Okay, when Pepe was, I think this was like 3 weeks ago, right? So the beginning of May, early of May, we saw Pepe pump, and there was a lot of FOMO. People were in fact saying that, Pepe is going to absolutely go to the moon and whatnot, right? A lot of people were in fact talking about Pepe and tweeting about it and whatnot. Like, just talking about it a whole bunch on social media. And I told you guys, right, when everyone was just talking about Pepe and there was a lot of FOMO going on with Pepe, right? I told you guys, okay, that Pepe will eventually drop. Every single time, guys, you see a altcoin, especially a meme coin, right, pump 40% in 24 hours, 50%, 100%, right? Because yes, we saw Pepe pump, 100%. It will eventually drop. And look, check this out, right? Literally a few weeks later, you guys can clearly see Pepe has absolutely dropped, and I think Pepe will continue to drop, right? Do I think Pepe can reach back up to its highs? I don't know. I really, like, I don't think it will, but we will see. Okay, because with meme coins, guys, I've been telling you guys many times, right? It's there's nothing wrong with investing or buying, meme coins, but I just wouldn't technically, buy it for long term. I would simply just trade it, right, with meme coins. Because in the past, I've made money with Dogecoin. Okay, I've been telling us that many times. When I was buying a whole bunch of Dogecoin and I was up in profit, yes, I took my profits, right? Even Shiba Inu, I don't hold any Shiba Inu today. Okay, I did back then in 2020, right? Around, I think I bought Shiba Inu around the 20th of May, I believe. I think that was my first time buying it in August, right? In 2020, I was buying Shiba Inu. I think it was in 2021 actually. I can't really remember. I think it was 2021. Yeah, my bad. Not 2020. 2021. I was buying Shiba Inu, and then remember, right? And when was it? October. I think it was October of 20. Yeah, October. Shiba Inu shot up like crazy. It was absolutely pumping, and that's when I took my profits, right? Like around here. I wasn't all the way at the top. It was around like this area right here. I took some profits, somewhere around here, and you guys can clearly see, right? Shiba Inu has dropped a lot, so I'm just glad that I took my profits. And this just shows you guys you should always take your profits. If you're investing or buying into meme coins, don't hold it for too long, okay? For long term, trade it. That's what I've learned, okay? So trade with meme coins, guys. There's nothing wrong, like, with buying meme coins, but just don't hold it for too long. That's just a tip right there, okay? Because Pepe, a lot of people were in fact, saying that they were in fact going to hold their investments for long term and whatnot, but look at it now. Right, it has dropped massively, and this is exactly why you don't want to buy and hold it for long term. Now, yes, it could go back up to its previous highs. It could, but when and how long will that take? Right, so we will see. But yeah, overall the market is down 5%, and the global crypto market cap is currently at 1.04 trillion. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, guys. How do you guys feel about all this? Okay, with like Robinhood delisting Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, because I got some mixed feelings with it, right? I really do. Yesterday we saw Tesla pumping. Let's see how Tesla's doing today. Okay, so it's slightly dropped. Let's go 1 month. Yeah, 1 month is still looking pretty good. So Tesla's still holding up very well. Tesla has been pumping for the past like few weeks. You guys can clearly see that, right? It's been pumping like crazy. And then yeah, it is in fact, sort of having some small corrections, and it's like consolidating right now, which is understandable, but it's still holding up very well. Is there any updates on crypto? Any news? Probably not. All right, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. All right, so Bitcoin right now is slightly shooting back up to $26,000. And you know what's crazy, guys, right? With all this FUD that has been happening for the past few days, we haven't actually seen Bitcoin, drop below $25,000, right? So if I show you guys, if I go to the daily time frame here, you guys can clearly see. Wait, should I go 4 hours? Yeah, I think that's good. You guys can clearly see we didn't see Bitcoin drop below $25,000. Okay, so for everyone out there that aren't in fact saying, Bitcoin is, dropping like crazy, it's crashing, right, like heavy and whatnot. It really isn't. Bitcoin is still holding up very, very well, surprisingly, right? It really has. Think about it, right? So check this out. Right over here, the 5th of June, and pretty much that was when the SEC announced that they were in fact, suing Binance, right? And we saw Bitcoin drop and the market drop as well, all the way down to pretty much $25,500, right? And then it was sort of consolidating, and then the next day, literally the next day, we saw Bitcoin pump. And on that day, right, the next day, that's when the SEC announced that they were in fact suing Coinbase, another major crypto exchange, right? And we saw Bitcoin pump. Like, Bitcoin didn't care. It pumped all the way back up to $27,000, right? And then, of course, it had little rejections every now and then. And we saw Bitcoin sort of consolidating, okay, hovering in between $26,000 and $27,000 for the past few days. And now here we are. Okay, Bitcoin is in fact dropping, but we didn't see Bitcoin drop, below $25,000, below this line at all, right? So, in my opinion, okay, if you really think about it, Bitcoin is holding up very, very well. Even with all this FUD, that's happening, okay, around the crypto space, like, it's still holding up very well, right? It really is. I would have thought, with all this FUD and negative news, Bitcoin would, I would have thought, Bitcoin would have dropped to like $24,000, even $23,000 at least. But no, it's still holding up very well, surprisingly. I'm actually surprised. So 15 minutes, okay, time frame right now. Seems like Bitcoin is in fact, pumping back up slightly. So there's nothing to be fearful about, guys, right? There really isn't. So it's holding up very well, in my opinion. Pretty sure you guys can agree with me as well on that one. Ethereum, on the other hand, okay, still holding up slightly, but Ethereum is actually dropping more than Bitcoin, right? 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 2.8%, Ethereum is down 5%. So yes, Ethereum is dropping more than Bitcoin. I might go ahead and buy some Ethereum later on tonight, but we will see. Just gotta check. Okay, that's weird. Cardano, yeah, it's dropped. You guys can clearly see that. Polygon as well. And Solana. What does Solana look like on the weekly? So Solana back in December, it dropped all the way down to $8, below $10. That is crazy. Yeah, Solana has been dropping a lot, guys. It really has. Like, I'll show you guys the Solana chart, the all-time chart on CoinMarketCap. Look at how much Solana has dropped. Solana's all-time high was in fact at $258 back, in November in 2021, when we were in fact in a bull market. Okay, and you guys can clearly see Solana throughout ever since then has been dropping significantly. So think about it, right? If Solana does in fact go back up to its previous all-time highs, okay, and you buy a whole bunch of Solana at this price level, let's just say at $14, this is just an example, like, you will make a significant return back. And that's also why a lot of people are in fact, investing into altcoins. Because this chart, what you're seeing right now, right? Most of these altcoins look so similar to this one, right? Like Solana's. So we had our previous all-time high, and then we saw a significant drop. So that's why, guys, a lot of people are in fact buying a whole bunch of altcoins. And personally, yes, I'm buying a whole bunch of altcoins as well. But yeah, my main investments are obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like, if we go to Chainlink, go Go to the all-time. You guys can see it's pretty much similar to Solana's, right? Like majority of these altcoins, the chart looks very similar to this one. So Chainlink, right? You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink, and we haven't seen Chainlink for the past few months go above $10. You guys can clearly see that. Like it's been consolidating for a very long time, and now it is in fact massively dropping down to the downside. So that's why, guys, I have in fact been stacking a whole bunch of Chainlink, okay? Because I really do believe this altcoin has some huge returns, has a lot of room to grow in the next bull market. All right. So that's why I'm stacking a whole bunch of Chainlink. So yeah, today is for sure a great opportunity to buy more crypto because prices are dropping, you know what I mean, like massively. So we got to take this as an opportunity to stack more, to buy more, right? While everyone else is fearful, you got to be greedy. Very simple. I don't know why Avalanche is dropping this much though, 18%. I don't think the SEC mentioned Avalanche a security. Let me know in the comments down below. But I don't think they did. But it's down 18%. I'm not sure why. Cosmos. Algorand. Where's Algorand? Quant, 7%. Algorand is all the way down here. 15%. Okay, I would have thought Algorand would have dropped way more than 15% because this is also a altcoin that they mentioned was in fact a security. Wow, Algorand. Oh. Okay. What was its all-time high? Previous high? $2. Okay. Okay, so let's go down the list here and see other altcoins that are dropping massively. Mina, 20%. I have no idea what this is, but it's down 22%. Dash is down 23%. Okay, let's go to the next page. I remember buying Engine Coin. Like I haven't bought Engine Coin for so long. I still hold some, but I haven't bought any for a while. Where is Floki? Down 20%. Yeah, damn. Literally, it's all reds, guys. There's no greens. You can't see any greens. It's literally just all reds. Okay, we just saw one green, but out of everything, right? Like it's all in the reds. This is crazy that the cryptocurrency market has this much. Oh, look at that. There's the FTX token, number 219. But it's just crazy how the crypto market has this much different tokens, different crypto coins. Look at this, right? The crypto market has over 25,000 different crypto coins. That is crazy. 25,636. That is absolutely crazy. I feel like throughout the few months and years, it's just been growing. You know what I mean? Like new crypto coins have in fact been like releasing and all that. That is crazy. But yeah, everything is in the reds. I can't see a single green. Like there are some greens, but not much at all. Majority of them are just in the reds. I think it's a great buy for sure. Hmm. Uniswap, Bitcoin Cash, ApeCoin is down 20%. Wow, a lot of these altcoins are dropping heavy, I must say. Phantom 18%. Let's go to the meme coin, see what that's looking like. What is this meme coin? Why is this pumping 13%? Damn, that's crazy. It has dropped. See, guys, this is why I don't invest in meme coins. Like I just trade them. Okay, I do sometimes buy them, but I don't buy like the random ones, right? Like for example, what's this Pitbull? You know what I mean? Like someone out there randomly just created this, meme coin, and look at it. It is listed at 711 out of the entire market, right? So when I'm investing into meme coins, I don't invest in any of these like random meme coins. Like I get it, right? If you see a meme coin and you get in early at the right time, right when everyone's not obviously talking about it, okay, and it skyrockets, yes, you can make a lot of money, right? We heard that story with Shiba Inu, right? Someone invested like $10,000 into Shiba Inu at its early stages, right? When Shiba Inu wasn't even, listed in majority of crypto exchanges, everyone wasn't really talking about it, right? And then all of a sudden Shiba Inu pumped, okay, and then a lot more crypto exchanges were listing Shiba Inu and it was pumping even more. And of course, that $10,000 investment turned into like millions, hundreds and millions. And apparently, news articles were in fact saying that that investment turned into billions, like a bit over $1 billion, which is crazy. So yeah, like if you get in early, like for example, Pepe, right? If you get that in early, yeah, like you could potentially, make a lot of money, right? For all the early investors that bought Pepe when no one was talking about it, and then we all of a sudden we saw it pump, yes, they would have made a lot of money. It really depends how much they, bought and invested in. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and potentially buy some more crypto coins. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, I will in fact be uploading more videos today, later on today, okay, and tonight. So stay tuned, okay, because today and of course tomorrow and the next upcoming few days, right? If I see the market, right, if I see the market drop even more than where it is now, okay, I'm gonna buy more. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and buy heavy because I think this is a great opportunity right now to buy into crypto, right? It really is. And for all the people out there that missed the opportunity, when Bitcoin was at $15,000, $16,000 and whatnot, right? Last November, if you missed that opportunity, right, buying Bitcoin at this level, I think right now, okay, is a great buy. Right, if you missed that opportunity, I think right now is a perfect time to buy some more Bitcoin. I don't see Bitcoin. I've told you guys many times. I don't see Bitcoin dropping back down to $20,000 right at this level. Right, I just don't see that happening at all. Short term, I really don't. If Bitcoin were to fact to drop even more, its lowest will probably be around like maybe $22,000. That's just my personal opinion. Like I just don't see Bitcoin dropping below below $20,000. Right. So I don't see Bitcoin going back down to 19 or 18K ever again. All right, it could, but it's just very, very unlikely to happen. And think about it, right? Like I said many times, with all this FUD that's happening right now, Bitcoin is holding up very well. You know what I mean? Like it really is. Look at it. Check that out, right? This is the daily time frame, and clearly it's holding up great, right? Like amazingly. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Let me know, guys, your personal thoughts right now with Robinhood delisting 3 crypto coins, Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, right? Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know, guys, if you actually use Robinhood. Do you guys actually use Robinhood? Let me know, because I know a lot of you guys that watch my videos aren't fact from the US. So let me know, because I know in the US, a lot of people actually use Robinhood, okay? But I want to know personally, right? Do you guys actually use Robinhood? So let me know. I'd love to know. And on that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream tomorrow. I will in fact be going live once again, like every single day. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I would really, really, really appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys all in tomorrow's stream. Have a good one, guys.